Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to make any person to say three magical words, that is I love you. That person can be your neighbor, can be your ex, can be your crush, can be your partner, can be your husband, can be your wife, can be anyone. You are going to write this magical number. In this spell, we are going to write a magical number around your target person's name in such a way that your target person will be completely have so much under passion pressure that he or she will not be able to resist you. He or she has to come to you at any condition, at under any circumstances. Your partner will confess his or her true feelings that he or she really loves you. Dear brothers and sisters, you are going to get a piece of white paper. A paper is required, a white paper is required, and 2 cloves. I hope you are able to see the cloves. The cloves have to be the big one like this, and they should not have any kind of a snag, or they should be completely, they must not have any kind of a wear or tear off. Now it's a very little bit complicated, technical, but very effective one, which produces result infinitely, indefinitely, and 100% sure. First of all, you are going to write 786 in bigger words. In the size of the number has to be big, 786. Then a circle like shape, dash dash dash. The size have to be little bit small than 786 but larger than this number. Write 1 to 1 means the love have to be between me and you only. There should not be any third person. Then again there would be dash dash circle, smaller size. However, it should be bigger than 178, smaller than 121. For your reference, I am telling you, you can get a bigger piece of paper as well to make it more clear to you. 143 means we want that our target person should confess love, I love you, immediately. 178 means there is no harm to anyone. It's a complete white magic, it's a complete ritual, it's a complete spell which does not harm anyone, neither the target person nor the person who is performing this spell. This is the beauty of this spell. And 786, all of us are aware this is the number of Almighty God. So these 4 powerful numbers you are going to write on a piece of white paper. In the center, you will write down your target person's name, and after that you will put the cloves here. 2 cloves on the 2 corners of the paper. Right? Once you have done this spell on Saturday, this spell only work on Saturdays, so you are going to start practicing this spell on Saturday. Once you have done this with both these cloves and this white paper, while closing your eyes, remember this, while closing your eyes, with your 3 fingers, index finger, middle finger and the 3rd finger, that is the ring finger, you will touch these 3 fingers with your forehead with a pressure. There has to be little bit pressure on your fingers so that the press can be a gentle but a little bit hard press. You need to close your eyes, meditate for 15 minutes and need to chant this spell in the 15 minutes. For the 15 minutes, here it is written Karina. Karina means your choice, your love, your desire. Bhav means I have the affection. Mahav means I want this affection of this person. Devati means immediately. You are going to chant it. Once you have done it with the cloves and white paper, you are going to burn them under a tree, near to the root of a tree. The tree must have any fruit. The tree should have fruits on that, itself. Tree must contain fruits, that is, the tree should be a green tree. Continuously 6 Saturdays you are going to perform this spell, and once you have done it, believe me, the powers of these magical words are too high that your partner will not be able to resist you. Whatever you are going to say, your partner will do it without any obstacle, without any hindrance, without any objection. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, then please don't forget to call or drop a message on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.